Hello everyone! Yesterday we talked about the 5 warning signs that your career is stalling. And if you saw yourself in any of them, your first instinct might be to panic. You might be thinking, okay, I get it. I need to be more visible. I need to post on LinkedIn 3 times a day, comment on every influencer post, and start every sequence in a meeting with, well, in my expert opinion. So that is fasting part to feeling like in unauthentic, sleazy self-presence, and it's exactly the wrong way to think about it. So welcome to day 5 of our personal branding challenge. Today we get to the root of the problem. All those signs they'll talk about being left out of the key meeting, being praised for the being busy instead of the impactful, being unknown outside your team are just symptoms. The underlying disease is that for years, we have let our job title define us. And today, we are going to break free from that trap. Thinking about it, when someone at the party in the new meeting or the party asks, what do you do? What is your automatic reply? For most of us, it's sometimes like, I am the project manager in the tech company. I am the senior accountant, or I am the marketing executive. We state our title and our company. We describe a function. We define ourselves by the box the organization has put us in for payroll and org chart purpose. But that box is not you. It's not a sum of your talent, your experience, your passion, and your potential. It's not just about the label. And building a personal brand based on the label is like trying to build a skyscraper on the foundation of sand. So why? Because job titles are temporary. Why? Because job titles are temporary. They change with every reorder, every firm and every company, every promotion, every new job. But your value, your unique ability to solve problems, that they're permanent and portable. The personal brand is not about promoting your title, it's about clearly and confidently articulating your value. It's about shifting your mindset from I am with job title to I am living, breathing solution. Let me show you the difference. Instead of saying, I am just marketing executive, we say, what if you saw yourself as a strategic who turn market data into compelling story that drive real customer growth? Instead of, I am software engineer, what if you were like a creative problem solver who build elegant, user-friendly code that make people live easier? So, do you feel the shift? The first of the passive and descriptive. And do you feel obsessive? The first is passive and descriptive. The second is active and valuable. The first is about. The second is a brand. It isn't just wordplay. This is a fundamental repositioning of how you see and present yourself to the world. So, I want you to thinking about this. When you stop defining yourself by your title, by your job title, 3 magical things happen. The first thing is liberating. You are no longer constrained by the job description. An analyst can be a leader. A coordinator can be a strategist. You give yourself permission to operate at the level your full potential, not just your current title. The second benefit you will receive is future-proof. When the next round of layoff comes, or when the AIs make your specific job title disappear, you won't panic. Why? Because you know your title may be redundant, but your value in solving specific problem is irreplaceable. And the third thing I want to tell you that is magnet for opportunity. People are not through your job title. They are through the solution. When you communicate your value and the right people, hiring manager client, collaborator are naturally drawn to you because you are the answer to their problem. So, how do you start making this critical shift today? Here are the 3 simple things, powerful action. The first one is deconstruct your title. Take out the piece of paper, write your official job title at the top. Underneath it, I want you to list 5 valuable skills you use every week that you are not explicitly mentioned in title. Do you negotiate, mentor junior college, simplify complex information, mediate the conflict? Though of high-value skill, this exercise will prove to you in black and white that you will already so much more than your label. The second is craft your I have statement. This is your first attempt at creating the value proposition. Statement. It's a powerful template we will refine later in this challenge. Fill in the blank. I have. Who do you have? Achieve what result? By what is your unique skill or mentor? For example, I have overlord team leader who get their project back on track. Result by creating simple, clear communication system. Mentor. So this is your new introduction. It's clear, confident, and focused entirely on the value you create. The third thing I want to tell you that test drive your new identity. This is a low-stage challenge. The next time you're in the non-critical setting, a virtual coffee chat and informal team hunt, use someone else and what you do. Try to introducing yourself with a version of your I have statement instead of your title. Just try it once. See how it feels to introduce yourself based on your value. And notice the other person's reaction. It will feel different and it will feel powerful. For the 5 days, we have been in the awareness phase of this challenge. We are uncovered the pain of being invisible and the trap that keep us stuck. Today, we close the chapter by adopting a new, more powerful identity. You are not a title in a firm, or you are the solution provider. Remember that you are the solution provider. So, you're missing today to take that first step to owning your new identity. Complete takeaway 2 and craft your first I have with statement. It does not have to be perfect. Share your first draft in the comment below and let's see the incredible value that exists in this community far beyond your job title. So this mentorship is the final piece of the awareness puzzle. So now that we know the problem and have to redefine how we see ourselves, we are ready to move into the next phase of our journey. So we are obviously leaving the awareness state and entering the shaping stage. So we have done the diagnosing the problem. It's time to start actively building the solution. And that entire process begins with one profound, clarified question that will become the North Star for your entire brand. So I'm very happy to see you in tomorrow's video, day 6, and we will ask, what do you want to be known for? So don't miss the beginning of this new chapter. Subscribe and we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye and see you in next video.